Welcome to the St. Andrews, a 3-bedroom, 2 baths. It's unit 508 and it is ready for rent. As you walk in, you'll see the dining room and the large open kitchen. This kitchen has dark cabinets and black appliances. Let's visit first one of the smaller guest rooms. The first room on the left. Large window with lots of lighting. And a walk-in closet. We have a shared bathroom connecting the 2 bedrooms with entry through the hallway and through the second guest bedroom. This is one of the larger second guest bedrooms. Again, tons of lighting all over our property. And this one has another walk-in closet. This bedroom opens up to the living room. We're on the 2nd floor. It has a fireplace and our outdoor patio. Tons of space with a walk-in storage unit, 3x5. And there's your valet trash unit that I was talking about earlier. We do valet trash for $22 a month, and it picks up at your apartment 5 days a week, Sunday through Thursday. Pickup time, you should put your garbage out by 7, and they'll pick it up overnight, and return your canister inside by 9 a.m. the next morning. The living room, you walk through that and go to the master. Large master with tons of lighting in the large windows. Large walk-in closet. And your master bathroom with lots of cabinet space. Your tub shower. To the left of the master bedroom is the large open kitchen with a large bar, darker cabinets, black appliances, nice backsplash. And that leads to your washer and dryer connections in the laundry room and your HVAC right here. Thank you.